bibigyan na nila ng kopya ang lahat ng mga congressman at congresswomen. At lalo na, bibigyan na nila ngayon ng kopya ang nasasakdal ang pangalawang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Kaya itong testimony, Philip ni Madriaga is very important also in the impeachment case. Now, since he is their star witness, abangan natin ang magiging cross-examination ni Attorney Panelo Jr. dito kay Madriaga para mag-enjoy tayo. Ngayon, obvious naman talaga na ang impeachment ng mga kaso laban kay VP Sara ay political na. Or dati ng political, even the first one. Kasi siya naman talaga ang the woman to beat in 2028. Hindi ba? Matagal ko na sinabi yan. At sinabi rin dyan ni dating Senate President Frank Drilon that she's really the woman to beat. Sinabi rin ni dating Ombudsman Justice Conchita Carpio Morales that she's really ahead. Right? So, the only way for them to knock her out this early in the game, 2 years before the election, is to impeach her. But the biggest problem of the BBM administration is that they do not have the numbers in the Senate. In the Senate, they must get 16 senators to vote in favor of the impeachment. Nabawasan na sila dahil si Senator J.V. Ejercito ay nagsabi na malamang hindi siya pipirma dyan. At ang grupo ng NUP na partido ni na Congressman Puno at ng industrialist multi-billionaire na si Enrique Dazon ay nagsabi na hindi sila pipirma dito sa impeachment na ito dahil wala namang bagong ebidensya. Ang bagong ebidensya nila, si Madriaga.
Yes.
Kaya napakalaki ng trabaho ni Attorney Panelo para sirain, pulbusin itong mga statements si Madriaga and show him that he is the fraud and liar that he is.